Hi everyone, welcome to Heal and Grow with Nickie. Today we're going to learn how to breathe with Britney. This is Britney. This is called a Hoberman Sphere. It's named after some man named Mr. Hoberman, and you can go to Wikipedia and find out more about that if you would like to. We call our sphere Britney, as in Britney Spheres. You can blame my husband for that. I first saw a Hoberman Sphere when I was teaching middle school, and one of my students was using it as a fidget in class. And I thought it was really super cool. It could be a toy. I'm sure there's a reason why Mr. Hoberman invented this, but I didn't pay any attention to that. What I thought was so cool about it is that it could be used to help my students breathe. Middle schoolers are notoriously anxious for pretty good reasons. And so I would start my dance classes with everyone sitting in a circle, sitting in crisscross applesauce, and we would breathe with Britney. Now, I'm a visual learner. I'm also a kinetic learner, which means I learn by moving. But this really helped me visualize my diaphragm and it expanding and then it letting go. And I'll put a link to buy this product in the comments. It was like $8 maybe on Amazon. But I found it to be so helpful with kids and adults alike, just to have them focus on something while they're slowing down their breathing. So we're going to inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And if you don't have a sphere, another thing that you could do is just use your hands. This works just as well. Sometimes when I'm teaching and I don't have the sphere available to me, I could just look at a student and do this, and it reminds them to breathe. Lots of times when we are dancing, we start to hold our breath, which is the opposite of what we want to be doing when we're dancing, or really anytime. We always want to be breathing and not holding our breath, but sometimes we forget. And so this is just a great visual aid. So let's do some breathing together with Britney. Let's do 4 counts. Inhale, 4 counts, exhale. Here we go. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. Now that we got the 4s done, let's try 8s. Here we go. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I love this. I love a prop. So if this is something that might be beneficial for you, go ahead and grab one off of Amazon. And Britney Spheres says thank you. Thank you.